Good day, everyone. Good day, dear lecturer of public speaking, Mr. Ahmad Suryawardono, and dear all of my friends from English department. Today, I'm going to talking about something that really close with us: money. Money can buy many things. It can buy lives, it can buy dreams, it can buy happiness, it can buy people, it can buy hearts. Money is so important, yet not irreplaceable. This quote comes from animation of light novel adaptation entitled Koi Monogatari, written by Nishio Isin. So indeed, money is really important, and literally can buy many things, but there is one thing that money cannot do, that make something what was used to be. So, for example, if you have broken parts in your vehicle, there are two choices that would you choose: buy a new one or fix the old one. Both of them will result same thing, but the difference is depends on the time usage. The new one will have a longer function, and the old one will break in short time. It's same with our health. If, for example, if you have a disease, a chronic disease, you can go to hospital, ask the doctor to cure you. The disease will cure, but the organ will stay damaged. For even the worst, your disease not be cured at all, and you will keep having outcome to curing your disease. So this is a dilemma in our society. With one question, which one you will prefer? Life with less healthy but high income, or life with less income but more healthy? People few people will choose one of them, even though both of them already in the pyramids in our life. For example, if people just chasing money, they will ignore many things. For example, environments that we live. It will cause many things like pollution. The pollution will damage our respiratory system, even our cognition system, that will make us become more tired mentally for more than it used to be. Not just physical, but mentally. In article entitled Wealth is Health, but also Health is Wealth, written by Andrew Kress, Dr. Martins argue in vicious cycle, which in poor healthy produce poor productivity. It leads to poor income. So if your healthy is poor, that means your income will also reduce, because the productivity in your working is not maximum. So instead of having income, you will have more outcome to cure your disease. So cure your disease. So even if I ask you a question, for example, a question like, which one you will choose between high price electricity, which safe for environment vehicle, or a vehicle that use fossil and oils fuels, you will more likely choose the second one because it's cheap. Because of that, cheap people will choose it, but ignore the fact that that is the one thing that goes with our activity that cause pollution, that also affects our health. So if you're working, there is two things that must see. First one, the knowledge. You must know what kind of environments working you have. For example, if you working in factory but you are a bad smoker, you must smoke less. So the productivity in work, it's not affect your physically too much, or even your mentally. Second, to achieving a healthy growth, that means it is also to regulate a damaging health action. That means we must make our own pattern of production and pattern of consumption. The production here is what you will you must know what's your limit on production of your working. So the pattern of consumption is what is the you consume is must be balanced. That means the nutrition is help your health to keep healthy. For all of that, for conclusion, health and wealth must be always relate each other and must be considered balancedly. So to make this happen, you must have to make a list. For example, what is the minimum thing that you must be achieved? So you must not consider to working too hard that make your health drop because overworking. And then, so if you have a family, especially already a grown kid, you must be consider insurance. It's recommended. So if there will be a day that you are running out of resources, you can count on that insurance. And also having a limitation for the thing that you want to buy. Make sure the thing that you buy is really helpful with you and your family in near future. So after all of this, make sure to having an good environment in your working place. Make sure when the wind is blow, it's bring prosperity, not a calamity. So thank you for all your attention and stay healthy. Goodbye.